I played this game sometimes, and I can't believe I'm actually recording. Hello, everybody. Greetings and Ted back here today. I'm going to be playing the Henry Stickmin Collection. So make sure you sit back, relax, get some popcorn, grab your friends or something, and watch me game. Alright, we're going to do Reckless Bounty Hunter and Convict Allies. And launch! Alright. As you see right there, that was Henry Stickmin, and that's Jake. And that's Ellie. Alright.
Wait, you have a tank?
Yeah, I have a...
You said you stole this from the Top Hats?
Yeah.
That name sounds familiar. I think I heard of them when I was getting locked up at the Wall. Criminal organization, right? And you crossed them, huh? We gotta put this bad boy to use. What do you say we hit him again? I don't know about you, but I'm running pretty low on cash. Great. I'll get in touch with my contacts and find out where they're at.
Alright, here we go.
These tracks should lead us right to the secret Top Hat base. We might even find... That's it. The transport train. I think there's supposed to be... There it is. The money cart. I'm pretty sure that cart contains all the money they've amassed. There's our payday. Let's take it to it. Oi, you hear that?
Don't stop now. I didn't stop. I tried to click the sword. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Real. Lost the...
Oh, come on. Alright, guys. Alright, the ad is over. Let's do this. Lost the lead. Yep, I lost the lead. Fire!
Nice shot.
We're ready for you. We're in when I came.
Stop the train! Oh, the train's in trouble. I can't stop it! I'm on the way.
Oh, he's coming.
Well, that's one way to do it.
Yeah.
Now, how are we gonna get all this money out of here?
So, if you want to find them all, just download this game. Let's do Vulture. Well, we're going up.
So, now
What the?
This doesn't belong to you.
Oh, yes it does. It's time for a battle. Oh, hey, look, it's Needy from the FBI. Alright. Wobble, we got Wobble Cobble and Shell Bounce. I kind of want to do the needle.
What are you doing?
Wait a second.
What an idiot.
Don't call me an idiot. What was the point of that what's the sharpest idea? Gonna pin the balance beam on you for that one. Did you really need all that money? That's a nice joke. Alright, let's do Shell Bounce. Actually, no, let's do Wobble Cobble because I want to kick his butt.
Happy feet.
Oh, yeah. Stickmin! We got him. Dang, we double teamed him.
Seems like we're out
Imagine
of the
that was
zone.
me and Blue Engine.
That should do the trick.
Oh, yeah. Mission complete. Yeah, created by Puffball. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright, we did it. Alright, now let's go to the menu. Let's do Brandon Bentley. It goes Stickmin. Boom! Alright. What the heck?
You've got to be pretty tired of waking up like this. That's right, it's me. But you thought you took me out. Well, nobody gets away from the topic, Glenn. As soon as we got into orbit, I made sure to go down and capture you. Now, enjoy your stay.
How am I gonna get out of this? Alright, I think it's time to do a magic spell. But alright. I'm gonna do lockpick. There's no lock to pick. Last if I try it again. This is the end, guys. There's still no lock to pick. You gotta stop trying this, man. No, I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna keep doing it. There's no lock! Lockpick again. Flag! Fine, you want a lock? There's your lock. There's your lock. Ah! Ah!
I have 8 million Robux.
I have 9 million.
No, this is a scam! Stupid scam ads. This is all a scam. I hate scam ads. Trying to think it's gonna work even though it doesn't. Like, when I tried those ads, I thought I was gonna get free Robux. But no, you guys should not even trust that. I'm gonna do Metal Hat. Oh my gosh, that's the perfect guy behind the slaughter. Oh, so you can't hit, you can't shoot me.
Henry's escaped.
Yeah.
He's on his way towards the main cabin now, coming from Wing 7.
Alright.
There he is.
Oh. Oh.
He's locked himself in Armory 7.
Who left this open?
Huh, what do we got? I'm gonna try the massive sword. Get over here. Wait, it's stuck. How about this? Boom! Ah! What happened? Alright, then my choice is the pew pew gun. Pop! Pop! Oh, pop! Got him!
I need an update on that Henry situation.
He's got one of our guns. He's going through us like crazy.
Oh.
We can't stop him.
Do I gotta do everything around here?
Yes, I'm going to kick your juicy butt.
Hello?
I'm about to kick your robot butt. Ow!
You should have stayed in your cell.
I don't need to stay in my cell, you robot butt freak. It is time, boys. It is time. Oh yeah, I got my own suit
That's
now.
not gonna help you.
Oh yes, it is.
Impressive. But that's not...
Bye bye.
There you are.
Oh snap! I gotta do something quick. Uh-oh. Super Smash Bros! Gravity boost! No, I missed it! What happened? I pressed gravity boots! Alright, let's try again. There we go! Boom!
Chief, I lost a solar panel.
Oh no, I'm dealing with it.
Okay. Don't even get snippy about it.
Where'd he go?
Which way should I go? Let's go there! There!
Destination Earth.
Hey, sir. Sorry to bother you. One of our offsite drop pods is on a direct collision course with the station.
What?
3, 2, 1.
No! Woo! Mission complete! Broke their ship! And I'm back on solid ground.
He took out our central core.
Yeah.
We don't have any power.
Mm-hmm.
Can't really get down to Earth without it. So we're we're kind of just stuck.
Yeah, I
Who
got
was
stuck
that guy
now.
anyway? Why'd you grab him?
You should have messed with the free man. Alright, now let's go to the menu. Let's do Redless Bounty and the Presumed Dead. Boop. Okay.
So the plan's going through even without the chief?
Yep.
Yes, we have all the goods loaded up on the train. Ugh, I don't want to be on caravan duty. Oh, it's not so bad. You get to sit on the train and hang out.
Are we meant to protect all our stolen valuables? All the money?
Yep.
All that? Oh, yes, I suppose that's true. We have all of our money in one cart. Suppose that's pretty important to protect.
Well, guess we better get going. Oi, watch where you're going.
Sorry about that. What do you call Buffett? Alright, time to see. 1 day until launch. Alright. I'm gonna plow through that boy! Let me plow through that boy! Boom!
Mr. Macbeth, passenger car 3 has been smashed by a tank. We're under attack.
Oh, you gotta go.
Down the top of the train. Looks like he's headed towards the money cart. I'll gun him down.
Time to use my robot skills! No! That's not meant to happen, guys. I meant to click this.
He got away. We can't follow through the tunnel.
Do I have to do everything myself?
There we go.
So you're the one causing all the trouble.
Oh.
I didn't expect to have to use this.
Oh, you're on. What is Undertale? Oh, I forgot that's what they were done. And that's how you beat a boss. Simple as that. Huh?
We can't get in.
Why don't we go at the back? Oi!
Alright, time to take this by air. Oh no! I lost my money card. Alright, I guess I'll try by land. I'm taking the train! Bye! Whee! Ah! I crashed and broke my leg. Alright, by sea. See you suckers! Am I okay? Yay!
This is pretty bad.
That's right. I got my money now. And it's not yours anymore. Ha 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 ha. Alright, where am I going though?
No luck, boss. Can't find it anywhere.
And forget it, come back. Takeoff's more important.
Yay! I got the money. Alright, guys. Part 2 is coming tomorrow. Anyways, see you guys. Bye. And yep, I brought back my old intro. Anyways, see y'all.